Hi my dear children, this is Prasanna, your maths tutor. Dear children, in the previous video we have seen that the units of measurements, namely unit of length and unit of weight. So in this today's video we are going to learn the third unit of measurement, that is unit of volume. So volume can also be said as capacity. So capacity, volume both mean the same. Small volumes of liquid are always measured in milliliters, and milliliters is written in ml. In short, we buy oil, petrol and diesel in liters. So liter is little bit bigger than this milliliter, and large quantities are always expressed in kiloliters. So if the quantity of the liquids are bigger than the liter, then such quantity of liquids will be measured in or will be expressed in kiloliters, and we write it in short as KL. So milliliters is written in short as ml, and liters is written in short as L, and kiloliters is written in short as KL. And let us see some standard values. So these are the standard units. 1 liter equals 1000 ml, and 1000 liters will be equal to 1 kiloliter. So let's see few examples so that we can easily understand. Study these examples. How many milliliters make 3 liters? So for this we already know one fact, that 1 liter equals 1000 ml. So they are asking how many milliliters will make 3 liters. So obviously 1 liter equals 1000 ml, so that 3 liter equals 3 times of 1000, which means we are converting from liter to milliliter here. So that is why we have to multiply the given number by the 1000, because the relation between milliliter and liter will be 1000, so that we have to multiply by 1000 here, so that 3000 milliliters will make 3 liters, right? Let's look at the another example. How many kiloliters will make 3000 liters? So 1 kiloliter equals 1000 liters, we know this, and 3000 liters will be 3000. And look at here, we are converting from yes, smaller unit to larger unit, so that obviously the operation should be division, so that we have to divide this given number, that is 3000 by 1000. So when you divide 3000 by 1000, quotient would be 3 only, so that 3000 liters mean 3 kiloliters. Let us see some other exercise problems so that concept will be cleared. So convert larger units into smaller units and smaller units into large units. Solve mentally. So 10,000 ml equals, just look at here, 1000 ml equals 1 liter. So similarly 10,000 milliliters will be equal to 10 liter. Why? Because 1000 millimeters will be equal to 1 liter. So 10 times of this 1000 milliliter will be 10,000. So that 10,000 will make 10,000 ml will make 10 L, that is 10 liter. So that 10,000 ml equals 10 liter, or else you can convert this in the mind as well, like this. So we are moving from smaller unit to larger unit, so that 10,000 must be divided by 10, right? So 10,000 must be divided by 1000, because the relation between ml to liter is that 1000, so that you have to divide this 10,000 by 1000. So when you divide this 10,000 by 1000, answer would be 10. So that 10,000 ml equals 10 liter. Let's move on to the next question. That is this is 7 kiloliter, and they are asking us to express in liter, which means we are moving from larger unit to smaller unit, so that multiplication has to be done. So take the given number, that is 7, and multiply this by 1000, because the relation between kiloliter and liter is that 1000. So given number must be multiplied by 1000, so that 7 times of 1000 would be 7000 liter. Let's move on to the C question, that is 6000 ml. So we are moving from smaller unit to bigger unit, so that given number must be divided by 1000, because the relation between ml and liter is this 1000. So that when you divide 6000 divided by 1000, answer would be 6, and that is what, 6 liter. Then it is 5000 liter. We are converting from smaller unit to larger unit, because liter to kiloliter is smaller unit to larger unit. So that given number must be divisible by 1000. because the relation between liter and kiloliter is 1000, so that given number must be divisible by 1000. So when you divide 5000 by 1000, answer would be 5, so that it is 5 kiloliter, or else 5000 liter equals 5 kl, or 5 kilo L equals 5000 liters. Next question, it is 4000 liter equals dash kiloliter. Look at here, it is 4000 liter. So we are moving from smaller unit to bigger unit, so that given number must be divisible by 1000. So when you divide this 4000 by 1000, answer would be 4. So that 4000 liter equals 4 kl. And look at this, kiloliter to ml. So first you convert this kiloliter to liter. So when you convert this 4 kiloliter to liter, it would be, look here. So it would be, when you convert this 4 kl to liter, it would be 4 into 1000. But they are asking us to convert to further to ml. So that again you have to multiply by 1000. Look carefully here, 4 we write as it is, and kilo means 1000 and liter means 1000 ml. So that 4 must be multiplied by 1000 and again it must be multiplied further by 1000. So when you multiply like this, it would be 4 into 1 is 4 and 3 zeros plus these 3 zeros would be 6 zeros in total. So that 4 kiloliter equals how much? This much ml. Just read it once. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, then 40 lakh. So that 40 lakh ml will make 4 kiloliter. Let's move on to story problems, right? So the first one is a bag of a car. A weight of car is what? 2 ton 600 kg. Look at this. This is the weight of one car and that is 2 ton 600 kg. What is its weight in kilograms? Look at here. The weight of a car is 2 ton 600 kg. So we know that 1 ton equals 1000 kg. So 2 ton means 2000 kg and 600 kg, let it as it is. And when you add both the weights, and we will get 2600 kg. So that the weight of car in kg is 2600 kg. Let's move on to the second question. That is, a bag of rice weighs 200 kg. So what is its weight in grams? So weight of a bag of rice is this much, that is 200 kg. And we have to express this 200 kg in grams. So which means we are moving from bigger value to lower smaller unit, because we are, look at here, kg to gram, which means we have to divide this given number by how much? That is 1000, right? So it is 200 kg. Let us convert this to, no, sorry, let me tell you one more time. So this is the weight of rice bag equals 200 kg. They are asking us to express in grams, right? So we are moving from bigger unit to smaller unit. So that given number must be multiplied by 1000. So that 200 times of 1000. So when you multiply these two, product would be this much. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 2 lakh gram will make 200 kg. So this is the weight of that rice bag in gram. Let's move on to the next question. That is, a truck carries 50 quintals of goods. So goods is nothing but it may be any product, right? So what is the capacity of truck here? It can carry 50 quintals of goods. So we have to convert this 50 quintals. So this is the weight of goods. This has to be converted into tons. Look at here, quintal. We are moving from quintal to ton, which means we are moving from smaller unit to bigger unit. So that we have to perform the division operation here. So that capacity of the goods carried by truck equals 50 quintals, and we have to express this in tons. So that this given number must be divisible by 10, because the relation between quintals and ton is 10. So that's why given number must be divisible by 10. So when you divide 50 by 10, answer would be 5 tons. So that this is the weight of goods carried by truck is in ton is 5 tons. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is, a sack of rice weighs 1 quintal. Sack is nothing but it is also a kind of bag, but which is made of jute. So such bag is known as a sack. A sack of rice weighs 1 quintal. Then how much would 4 such sacks weigh in kgs? So first we have to write the sentence like this, that is weight of 1 sack of rice will be 1 quintal. Just have this in the mind that 1 quintal equals 100 kg, right? So weight of 4 sacks of rice would be, so weight of 1 sack of rice is 1 quintal, and we need to find out the weight of 4 sacks of rice, that is 4 times of 1. So it is 4 quintals, and they are asking the weight of 4 such sacks weight in kg, so that 1 quintal equals 100 kg, so that 4 quintals would be how much? 400 kg. So I missed it here. So 4 quintals mean 400 kg. So you write it down. So final answer is what? Weight of 4 sacks of rice would be 400 kg. I haven't written, but you write it down. Let's move on to the next question, that is D. E. Yes, a tempo carries 20 sacks of wheat weighing half a ton in all. So what is the weight of each sack of rice? Each sack of wheat in kg. So a tempo is carrying 20 sacks of wheat. So how many sacks of wheats are there? There are 20 sacks of wheat. So the weight of those 20 sacks of wheat is this much, that is half a ton. So half ton means 1 ton mean 1000 kg. So half ton means obviously 500 kg, which means weight of 20 sacks of wheat carried by that tempo is this much, that is 500 kg. And we need to find out the weight of each sack of wheat here, so that we have to divide this 500 kg by the total number of bags of wheat, that is 20. So when you divide this 500 by 20, answer would be 25. So now this is the weight of each sack of rice, that is 25 kg. Let's move on to the next question, that is F. John rode. So rode is the past tense of ride. So John rode 3 km on his bike, and Sally rode 4000 meter on her bike. Then who rode the farthest, and how much farther did he or she ride? So which means both of them are riding the bike, but John covered 3 km whereas Sally covered 4000 meter. So by this data we have to decide that who rode farthest, means who covered longer distance and by how much. So for this we write the first sentence as distance covered by John, that is 3 km, and 3 km means we know that it is 3000 meter, and distance covered by Sally would be 4000 meter, and obviously we can clearly see that. So 3000 meter, which means the distance covered by John is less than the distance covered by Sally, because Sally has covered 4000 meter. So we can write the one more sentence, that is therefore Sally rode farthest, which means Sally covered more distance. But we have to answer the another question, that is how much farther did she ride. So first of all we have clarified one thing, we have confirmed one thing, that is Sally has covered more distance, but how much more distance she has covered than John, that we have to find out here. So for this Sally rode farthest than John by, so we have to take the difference of the distances covered by both, that is 4000 minus 3000, so it would be 1000 meter. So Sally rode farthest than John by this much distance. Let's move on to the next question, that is G. Jessica is measuring 2 line segments. The first line segment is 50 centimeter long and the second line segment is 500 millimeter long. Then how long are the 2 line segments together? So she has 2 line segments and she is measuring both the line segments, but after measuring she wants to know the total length of both the line segments together. So first we write the sentence like this, that is length of the first line segment, that is 50 centimeter, and length of the second line segment, that is 500 millimeter. So I written this as m, so better you change this as 500 millimeter, right? It is 500 millimeter. Then when you convert this 500 millimeter into centimeter, it would be 50 centimeter. So see here, length of the first line segment is also 15 centimeter, 50 centimeter, and the length of second line segment which was given in 500 millimeter, but now we have converted into 50 centimeter. So the length of both line segments together will be 50 plus 50, because this is the length of first line segment and the length of second segment is 50 centimeter. So when we add those both, we would get, that is 100 centimeter. So this is the length of two line segments together, that is 100 centimeter, because they are asking the answer in centimeter. So that is why we have to convert this 500 millimeter into centimeter, so that answer would be in centimeter as well.